so terrified I couldn't even move myself. Honey, come on. It makes sense to stick up veggies. You human beings don't stand a chance against it. What?
So small.
Don't want to be small. Want to get something to eat? Loud and clear.
It's a miracle she woke up early!
Okay, you're shocked by that?
Astounded. This is deserving of a reward.
What is happening? I'm a warrior with a sensitive soul.
It's not a pain in the rear.
What you call me? Hey, where do you think you're going? You can't leave us to die for it.
When to give up. Still your resolve, remember?
Steal yourself. I don't want to be your food. Avery, you've got perfect timing. Take a look at the... On second thought, never mind. Why? What was that?
I blew you a kiss, of course. Maybe you're too young to appreciate it, Sonny.
Somebody take this twisted child home. You better not drop by! That's a good physique. Looks like that either. Get in. I'll take you to my mansion. Does anybody care to explain? Hey, boss. What are you guys... You're really... Hands on. No, no. It's good that you could get the job done. Don't hurt me!